This is one of my favorite songs and personal songs on the album. And I get so, I don't know, I'm very spiritual, and I believe that sometimes when people pass on, you get closer to them, and your relationships heal with them, and you become a better person, their spirit is with you, and they watch over you, and that's just my personal beliefs. I originally wrote this song about a friend named Trenton, whose anniversary was not long ago, which is why it's emotional. Also, I lost my father this last summer, and as hard as it was, something beautiful came out of it. I was able to launch the Lovato scholarship program, which helps anybody with mental illnesses. I work with a place called Cast Recovery, and we help get them the treatment that they need so that someone else can have the father that they wish that, you know, could have been there for them. I have an amazing stepdad, but yeah, this is for Lorna up there, and also my dad.
I can't sleep tonight, wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero, is it you? I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, my sanity, bring me peace, send me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Somebody answer me, I'm overwhelmed. Oh, I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home, I need a star to follow. I don't know, I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melodies. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find